This is Redmi Watch 4, and today we will together unbox the smartwatch and see what accessories and items this device comes with. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's start taking the box apart, should I say. And here is the star of the show. That is the, well, smartwatch itself. As you can clearly see, for safety reasons, it is enveloped into a whole bunch of protective film. So let me quickly, well, take it off. Yep. And also take it off of the, well, belts or wristbands, should I say. So here you go. Nice. Let's continue taking this box apart and quickly check what do you get in the box kit. So here you'll find the charging wire, no adapter as far as I can see. Yep, so just the wire. And here you get a bunch of paperwork, to be exact, the user manual. So should you encounter any issues with your smartwatch or any difficulties while setting it up or using it, you can always address this little, well, not that little, but pretty chunky user manual, and you should find the answers there, no problem. And well, if you ask me, the accessories and the bundle itself is pretty humble. You don't get much alongside the watch itself. You only get the charging wire, no charging brick or no charging adapter, and well, the paperwork or user manual. And well, that would finish, or should I say, that would conclude this video then. So should you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.